just another video of this and that, whether you need to buy this or you need to buy that. I am so happy to be doing these videos. I cannot tell you guys. Okay, in this and that today, we have Angam from Latafa, and on the other hand, we have Burberry Goddess. So let's not waste time and look at the packaging of both of them. Okay, so first, Burberry Her. I just love the packaging. Of course, we have to give it to it कि ये एक designer fragrance है, और obviously the packaging is going to be, I don't know, more appealing. I just love this beautiful rounded cap. Ignore my nail. It broke in the morning today. I was trying to open that window और मेरा nail टूट गया. मुझे इतना गुस्सा आया ना, I cannot tell you. And then the simple and clean coin-like decoration on top of the bottle. I just love this bottle, I'll be honest with you. I have a thing for these clean looking bottles, but if we compare it to Angam, Angam is also not bad. I'm really liking the fact कि इस बार कुछ ज़्यादा गॉडी करने की बजाय लताफ़ा ने एक clean looking bottle बनाई है. Though I am not a huge fan of these musical notes going on top, because I don't see a connection of, you know, music with, I don't know, I don't see a connection at all with the kind of fragrance that is inside. But yeah, packaging is pretty clean and nice, and I really have to give it to them कि उन्होंने कुछ over the top इस बार नहीं किया है, and we are really liking the packaging on Angam for sure. कुछ लोग ना इसका cap ऐसे लगा रहे हैं. So many reviewers are putting the cap like this, and that, let's say 10-15% जो मेरे अंदर OCD है ना, वो मेरा trigger हो जाता है if the bottle cap is not put this way. So yeah, I have been getting that feeling of frustration on the inside when I see people putting the cap the other way. But yeah, let's look at the price of both of them. If we compare the prices, Burberry Goddess 11,000 रुपए की फ्रेग्रेंस है और अंगम आपको कहीं 3 से 4,000 रुपए के बीच में मिल जाएगी. I know इसकी अवेलेबिलिटी अभी थोड़ी सी डाइसी है, लेकिन I am pretty sure that in the future we will get this fragrance. तो you can see the price difference कि कितना ज़्यादा है दोनों में. And considering that ये मैंने छोटा सा 6,000 या I think around 6,500 का लिया था, because this is 50 ml and you'll get 100 ml in near about 4,000 rupees. Angam has the top notes of ginger, mandarin, pink pepper. Middle notes we have lavender, praline, cacao, jasmine, and base notes we have vanilla, amber, musk. अगर आप नोटिस करें, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बार वनीला मेंशन किया गया है. And on the other hand, if I compare the notes with Burberry Goddess, it has top notes of vanilla, lavender, cacao, ginger. Middle notes we have vanilla caviar, and then base notes we have vanilla absolute. 3 different kind of vanillas that have been used in Burberry Goddess. Now I have used them both, और मुझे अभी भी ऐसे लगता है कि अंगम को थोड़ी सी मैसरेशन की और ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. Once it will macerate, it will turn into a beautiful fragrance. So let's talk about Burberry Goddess first. ये बहुत ही beautiful, clean vibe वाली vanillic fragrance है, which is deep and perfectly sweet, which is not overly sweet, जो कि इसको all year round fragrance बनाती है. This smells like a very expensive fragrance. It smells like a bougie and a rich woman's fragrance who lives in a mansion and owns all the designer stuff. So that is, I have always been saying about this one. But now if I come down to Angam, Angam is, in my personal opinion, a better version of Burberry Goddess. It has all those facets in it. वही luxurious feel, वही rich woman vibe. एक तो थोड़ा सा अगर ये macerate हो जाएगा ना, it will definitely get better. But this one is slightly sweeter, you know, and slightly deeper on the vanilla. जबकि इसमें 3 तरह के vanilla यूज़ हुए हैं और यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बार vanilla mention हुआ है. हमें पता है यार कि notes कभी भी हमें ठीक नहीं बताए जाते. हमेशा एक you know ऐसा note structure हमें पकड़ा दिया जाता है कि बस idea हो fragrance का. आपको लगता है seriously कि fragrance brands अपने सारे notes out कर देंगे तो उनका formulation out नहीं हो जाएगा. So we are never given the right information when it comes to notes. There is a lot more going on in the background, but Angam is more beautiful than Burberry Goddess. I need not buy Burberry Goddess. If I didn't have Burberry Goddess in my collection, I just had this, that would have been a successful purchase. If you get this, you do not need Burberry Goddess, trust me. This is sweeter, this is softer, और सोचो ये तो अभी मैसरेट नहीं हुई है, मैसरेट हो जाएगी तो क्या हो जाएगा. Just imagine that. This is sweeter, softer, has that same clean vibe. लेकिन Burberry का जो एक लैवेंडर, उसको एक थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा फ्रेश और थोड़ी सी, how do I say, sharp, clean vibe provide करता है ना, वो यहाँ पे missing है. Oh God, this fragrance is a better version of Burberry Goddess without any doubts. But there is one problem right now, that it is not lasting very long on me. Burberry Goddess lasts on me all day. I never have to touch it up. But this one is just giving me 2 to 3 hours for now. That is why I'm saying that this definitely needs maceration. Itni beautiful fragrance hai that I want it to last all day. So for now, that is what is happening. Macerate karungi मैं इसको, and then I will come back to you guys in a maceration update, because बहुत सारी fragrances हैं जिनका maceration update बाकी है, and I really need to discuss all of that with you. The longevity has been a bummer for now, but the fragrance is totally to fall for. It has all that smoothness, all that clean smoothness to it, which I was expecting from Burberry Goddess. Because Burberry Goddess कभी-कभी, let's be honest, थोड़ी सी lavender इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा dominate कर जाता है, which is not happening here. And I would highly recommend that for this and that, I would go for Angam. This is better than original for sure. I am just keeping my fingers crossed and hoping कि इसकी longevity improve हो जाएगी. And once that happens, I'll definitely let you know guys. या तो एक short video में या किसी maceration update video में for sure. And also please follow me on Instagram, because that is also one place where I sometimes keep updating things. Communicating with you guys is easier on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. So in this and that video, today's winner is Angam for sure. And I just so wish that I transfer the juice of this to this bottle. I just really wish that. So that is it for today's video guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep looking beautiful, keep smelling good. Love you bunches, honey crunches. Mwah.